Hey guys, this video is for those who want to get started into software technology development. How does one write code comfortably, one must ask. Most students and professionals opt for an integrated development environment, and IDE is like a toolkit. It contains many features in one place for the developer to use. One of the most popular IDEs in the market is Visual Studio Code. It was developed by Microsoft in 2015 to improvise productivity. It contains a lot of cool features like a neat code editor, an autofill feature, extensions to further customize your development needs, a console, debugger, directory manager, and GitHub connections. Visual Studio Code has integrated a toolkit called GitHub Copilot. This is an AI code editor which you can implement within your application to write code for you and improvise your productivity. If this feels like a lot of information and didn't quite grab the utility of each tool, do not worry. As you will utilize VS Code for your projects, you will over time find things becoming more intuitive and more useful for your use case. To get started with Visual Studio Code, head on to their official website. Head over to the downloads page and install their application that suits your operating system. Then open the code editor, click on New File, choose whatever language you want, print an Hello World statement, hit run, and voila, you will see an console pop up with an output of a Hello World. And hey, there you go. Congratulations on writing your first piece of code in Visual Studio Code. You are now a part of a huge community of developers across the world who use this tool to build solutions and products within this application. And hey, there's more. Since you're part of Amrita University now, you will be provided with a college email ID. And you can procure huge benefits with it. To get to know how, follow this channel and make sure to keep up with the upcoming posts. Do share this information with your friends too, so that they don't miss out on any key information in the near future.